nakita kami ni Solen.
We all got to hang out. We all had time together.
Excited si Richard Gutierrez sa pagpamilang handog niya ngayong Valentine kasama si Eugene Domingo.
Fresh na fresh!
Valentine's, makakapaghandog kami ng isang sayang pelikula para sa buong pamilya, para sa mga nagmamahalan. We've been shooting almost every day, pero we've been having fun. Kasama ko si Miss Uge, na napakasarap kasama sa set at napakahusay. Ngayon masaya dahil may 3 kwento sa loob ng isang pelikula. Iba-iba yung mga kasama kong leading ladies dito. Kasama ko si Rian Ramos, si Solen Yusuf, si Lovie Po, si Miss Eugene Domingo, at si Jillian Ward. So very excited.
Inalalayan daw ni Richard si Solen sa movie who plays whale and dolphin trainer.
Fresh na fresh!
Sobrang sad that you have like power over the animals sometimes to give them different behaviors and everything, and they're very obedient, so it's really exciting.
Siyempre, we're here for her, to support her. Pero si Solen, she picks it up really fast. She's good for a first-timer talaga. Kasi nga, parang hindi siya masyadong kinakabahan eh.
I have a lot. Like, first of all, my first acting job. Second of all, I'm with a good friend, so it's easier.
Siguro nga, advantage din yung comfortable kami sa isa.
Dahil love story, hindi maaaring walang kissing scenes na pinaghandaan daw ni Solen.
Really? That's good to know. O siguro hindi mawawala yun sa isang klaseng love story na especially nga love triangle pa, di ba? Kami ni Solen, we've been friends for a long time and we're comfortable with each other, so wala nang masyadong ilangan, di ba? So we're just gonna have fun.
In the movie, Richard and Solen play best friends who eventually hit it off. Do they see this happening in real life?
Fresh na fresh!
Tingnan natin kung same yung ending sa happy ending.
I don't know, this is not a movie.
Samantala, nag-holiday break ang pamilya Gutierrez sa Boracay kung saan nakita rin sila ng grupo ni Solen Yusuf.
Fresh na fresh!
Oo, nakita kami ni Solen. She was with her family, her brothers, and okay naman. They were with a big group.
Yes, I was there before New Year's and then tapos after New Year's. We're a big group of friends, so we all got to hang out. We all had time together.
Ilang araw din daw nag-bonding sila ni Solen sa Bora. At kamusta naman ang supposed portrait gift ni Solen kay Richard?
Hindi pa kasi walang time to paint. Pero soon, when I have free time.
Siyempre nakakatuwa na gagawin niya yun. First time ko rin na makakatanggap ng ganong klaseng regalo, di ba? So, good. I'm very happy and excited na makita yung
Pinubusisi rin ni Richard ang kanyang next TV project, ang pagbabalik ng Captain Barbell!
Napit na rin dumating ang Captain Barbell at pinaghahandaan ko na rin yan. Actually, matagal na namin pinaghahandaan ng Captain Barbell. Hindi siya magiging madali at it's going to be one of the biggest shows of 2011. At ayaw namin madaliin. We're gonna take our time and we're gonna make it good.